Hello. Okay, so this is a simple drop down, but a little bit tricky. You see, drop down I get from this letter here, and up to I. So this range are not in the single row or single column. They are actually distributed in different column, right? So how do we get this drop down? Okay, for simplicity I created this separate column with all the information, but I have selected up to I because that is what it is here, and then there is formula that actually look up for information based on this selection. Hope you like it. It's working. You select I, you get 45 because I is 45. You select E is 100 because it is 100. You select A, it's 20 because it is 20. Hope you like it.